Дайте пацанам посчитать потери. Суммы нули погибать на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливай лик, поцелуй на шее.
Hi guys, this is sdmonk. Welcome to the next tutorial of Linux. I hope you all have practiced the commands which I have told earlier. If not, please do that before watching this video. So let's dive into our topic. First of all, I have opened my Ubuntu. I will simply click on enter and the timer will be started because I have opening an online compiler 22, 21, 19, 18, 17 and this will redirect to the Ubuntu terminal, I think. So first of all guys, go to the terminal section or search for terminal and click on the terminal and write our first command as slash. Now the first question come to your mind is, what is that slash command, or what the slash command execute? So the answer will be slash command execute the root directory. Example, how far we are, but at the end of the day we all return back to our home. This command is like that. Suppose we are in a folder inside a folder, or folder inside a file, or in a subdirectory, but if we write slash and execute it, it will simply go to the home directory or the root directory. That is the main function of the slash. Now write the second command, that is clear. If we write clear, this command is used to clear the terminal. This command will be written in another form also. If you write pwd and this will show home and on works, and if you will press ctrl plus L, this will clear the terminal also. You can use this tip also to clear the terminal. I have pressed the ctrl plus L button and this terminal is now clear. Our third command is echo. What is this echo command means, or what is the main function of this echo command? This command, firstly I will show you the demo. Echo, then sdmonk inside a inverted comma. I have written something wrong. sdmonk, and if I write sdmonk inside a inverted comma and before that echo, this will print sdmonk. That means this command shows whatever we write inside the inverted comma and before that echo, this will simply shows the inverted comma portion. Whatever we write in the inside the inverted comma, this will show in the next line. And the fourth command of this video is who am I. This is a magical command. Come, let's find out. Who am I? In this case, this is showing on works because I am using online compiler. And the fifth command and the last command will be cd. What is this cd command means? This command goes to the home directory no matter in which directory you are in. If you are in a folder, if you write cd in the terminal section, it will simply go to the home directory. I write cd and if I write cd and press enter, this will simply go to the home section. So guys, up to this in this video, please practice all the commands which I have told in this video. Looking forward to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching this video.